Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. I hope that you all are fine. Chapter number 4, Factorization, HCF and LCM. Today's topic is LCM by prime factorization method. First, we will see the recap of the last lecture. Number 1, LCM. The smallest common multiple of two or more numbers is the least common multiple. Number 2. Multiples of 3 and 4. Multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, and so on. And multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, and so on. Number 3. LCM of 3 and 4. So the LCM of 3 and 4 is 12 because 12 is the least common multiple of 3 and 4. Now we are moving towards today's topic, HCF by prime factorization method. The LCM of two or more numbers can be obtained by finding out their prime factors. Now look at the factors of 12 and 18. 12 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 is equal to 2 to the raised to the power 2 multiplied by 3. 18 is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 is equal to 2 multiplied by 3 to the raised to the power 2. The LCM of 12 and 18 is the product of all the prime factors, each with the highest power. Therefore, the LCM of 12 and 18 is equal to 2 raised to the power 2 multiplied by 3 raised to the power 2 is equal to 4 multiplied by 9 is equal to 36. In short, you have to just focus on 2 points. Number 1, the factors should be prime. Number 2, highest power of the prime number. Such as in the number 12, the factor of highest power is 2 raised to the power 2. And in 18, the factor of the highest power is 3 raised to the power 2. Then solve these power values and multiply with each other. Like 4 multiplied by 9 is equal to 36. So 36 is the least common multiple of 12 and 18. This method is called prime factorization method. We have another example for it. Find the LCM of 12, 16 and 20 by prime factorization. You are observing the factors of 12, 16 and 20. So the highest power of 2 is 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 because 3 and 5 are singles and the highest power of 3 and 5 is 1. That's why the LCM is 240. Now it's activity and home assignment time. Find the LCM of the following numbers by prime factorization method. Number 1, 4, 8 and 16. Who will tell me the LCM? Fabulous. First, we will find the prime factors for them. After that, we will select the common factor of the highest power. Number 2, 42, 48 and 56. We have same process for this. And you have to solve these questions in your notebook. In the last recapitulation of this lecture. Question number 1. Which topic have we discussed? We have discussed the topic HCF by prime factorization method. Question number 2. How can we find LCM by prime factorization method? Answer is the LCM of two or more numbers can be obtained by finding out their prime factors. Last question is give an example of it. The LCM of 12 and 18 is 36. I hope that you have understood today's lecture. Okay class, take care. Allah Hafiz.